Hey everybody, welcome back to my home kitchen. It's Lori with the Produce Moms, and today we have our very favorite apple slices. Let's be honest, these are everyone's favorite apple slices, Crunch Pak apples, and the family bags are extra special to us all at the Produce Moms because they have our brand on them. So shout out to our amazing partners at Crunch Pak, and today we've partnered up with them to bring you some very simple and elegant appetizers ideas. Appetizers using apples. Anyway, okay, appetizers. We have a couple different options here, and I love these options because it's kind of a savory take on our easy and most convenient sweet snack, which is, of course, an apple slice. So the first one here that I'll demo, we're using the sweet apples. You could absolutely use the tart apples for this, but the sweet apple and the savory toppings is just a really nice complement. So we're gonna stick with the red bag, which is your sweet apple slices from Crunch Pak. And I love these. You don't have to wash them. You don't have to cut them. You literally, the only thing you have to do is open the bag, okay? So totally mom approved right there. I have an herbed cream cheese. It's just like a chive cream cheese. And this is a take inspired by like bagels and lox, right? So we're going to put this cream cheese on here. And then I bought a tray of smoked salmon at the grocery store. So use my little fork here and get the sliver. Perfect. And then you can just kind of, how easy is that, right? So easy, so delicious. And then the next one does require some time in the oven. Okay, so you just take an apple slice, and I have cut my bacon in half. Okay, and you just roll it. And it's up to you if you want to use the toothpicks. That's an optional step because the bacon will absolutely like stick like this. Or if you want, you can put the toothpick on it. It does make it a little easier to serve. Put it on your baking sheet. You just have to kind of keep an eye on them. When the bacon is to the desired doneness, it's done. We did 375 degrees for about probably 15 to 20 minutes, and that's how we got the apples like this. And the apple is nice and soft, and the bacon has started that caramelization, and it's starting to get crispy. And oh my goodness, it is such a delicious and easy appetizer. To elevate it a little bit more, you could sprinkle it with like brown sugar or maybe a little cayenne pepper if you want to give it a little kick. But truthfully, these are amazing and easy ways to entertain with apples, and you can carry these through all seasons. Like, I mean, I could see it being something that's super easy right now as we get into, you know, like picnic and pool and lake season. But for sure, I could see myself serving these. I actually have served these at like holiday parties, you know, very easy finger food appetizer, and it doesn't get much, the preparation could not be easier. Largely in part thanks to the Crunch Pak apples, which you can find at your favorite grocer. And if they're not on shelf, Crunch Pak and the Produce Moms, we sure would appreciate you requesting that your grocer stocks them. So thank you all so much. If you have any questions about this app, I keep having that tongue twister. If you have any questions about this appetizer, we're here to help at the Produce Moms, and we'd love to see your take on this. So tag us, tag Crunch Pak when you make this recipe or these appetizers in your home kitchen, and we're here to help. So thanks so much for tuning in today, and enjoy your Crunch Pak apples.